All right, today we are taking these mechanic sockets, which are hard to see the millimeter on it if you look close. It says 17. What we're doing today is we're going to put some white paint in here so that we can see these better when trying to grab them quickly. They will end up looking something like this right here. It ain't perfect, but this is an easier way to be able to see them quickly. 15 millimeter. So I'm taking this paint marker, Lowe's or Home Depot, wherever you can get it. That guy, a little bit of acetone to wipe off the excess. And let's see how it works. All right, let's take the 17 millimeter. What I've been doing is just kind of dabbing in here. Do a little dab around this number area. Make sure it gets down into the divots around it. Yeah. So something like that right there. Take a little bit of this. I'm just going to slide across the top of this. Like I say, just trying to take off that top layer there. There you go. I'm going to do that to all these sockets. I've done it to all these little ones that I did not do perfectly on. But that's about what they're going to look like, as opposed to this. It helps when you're trying to grab things quickly in the shop. There you go.